Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Happy to see you here today. I'm just getting over COVID and I finally felt good enough to film today. So anyway, if you understand, I'm a little bit stuffy and whatever, but today I have my Allure Beauty Box. So I'm excited to share this today. And not only do I have this, but I have a free gift I received because I went ahead and signed up for their annual subscription. If you sign up for the annual subscription, the box goes from $25 to $17 a month, which can't be beat. And I happen to know this is a subscription I want for the year. So went ahead and paid for it all. With it came this gift, this free gift. So I'm going to share everything we got here today. So let's get going. Okay, friends. Once again, thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd hit subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, do those things to support my channel. And I am going to start with, I guess I'm going to start with the February. This is the February box, or January, excuse me. I don't know why I said February. January box, and then with it, and then I'll get to the free gift that I also got from getting the annual subscription. It's really worth it if you want to go annual because they send you all these fun goodies, and then also your box price goes way down. So take a look at what's in it right here. Now, the first thing I'm pulling out is this is from Maelys, M-A-E-L-Y-S, and it's a Get Dreamy overnight toning whip, and it is sealed, so I don't think I'm going to open it quite yet. But I'm really excited about it. I'm really excited about this, actually. It says why you'll love it. Skin below the neck drinks up this whipped body cream, which is rich and hydrating, but never heavy. It's packed with nourishing, hydrating coconut and passion fruit oils and shea butter to make skin feel softer and smoother while you sleep. The incredible scent, a clean fragrance with hints of calming lavender, is part of why its whipped lotion feels so luxurious to apply. So it says apply it from the neck down at night, like right after you shower, and you'll wake up to smoother skin in the morning. But anyway, I kind of like the idea of putting on, I don't do this now, but I like the idea of putting something on at night like this, and it sounds like the scent would be nice and maybe help you to sleep. So anyway, excited about that. That's the first thing. So the next thing we got in here is from this was valued at $39. It's a full-size product. The second product I'm going to show you is from Ciate London, and this is their extraordinary translucent powder. And I have used this. I like it. It's a good product. I'm a powder girl, so I like a good translucent powder. This is pretty good. like I said, I've had it before. It's not a bad product. It's not really a super high-end product, but let's see what the price of this one is. This is $22. This is a full-size product. So anyway, there's that. For my second item, my third item I'm going to show you is a shampoo and conditioner, the Monday, and these are good for travel size. They smell really good. I've actually used these before. They say they're $7.99 for a fuller size. This is a 30 milliliter, not quite a full size, but anyway, so there's that. So we got those, and I like it when they give you a shampoo and a conditioner. So that's always fun to get together. So the next thing I have here is another perfume from Juliet Has a Gun, and I love her perfumes. I love the Nada perfume. Then we got this, and I'm gonna admit that I already sneaked a smell of it. And this one is just called Juliet, and I think it might be my favorite one. So, oh, it smells really good. So I'm excited about that. It's your decent size, purse size, so it'll last a little while. So that's the fourth item. And then the fifth item we have in here is from Ahava. This is their purifying mud mask. And it says why you'll love it. Cozying up inside on a cold night is made better by hydrating face mask. And Ahava is just about that. Perfect for that. This mud mask cleanses and gently clears out pores. No harsh exfoliating here, while also moisturizing for skin that's softer and more radiant. Ingredients like Dead Sea mud, clay, jojoba oil, and jojoba oil, and panthenol make for a skin-loving blend. So anyway, you just wear the mask for about 3 minutes before rinsing it off. I have a mask I've been using, kind of that I really like. But so I don't know. Maybe I'm not a big mask girl, but maybe I'll like this because I tend to like the clay type masks better than just other masks. So anyway, this is a real good product. It's Ahava makes really good things. I'm gonna see what the price of that is because I don't know, but that is a full size. So lots of full sizes here. It's $39 for 100 milliliter. So anyway, that's what we've got there. So anyway, we have the mud mask, which I like. I think that's it in here. The Ciate powder, the body moisturizer for nighttime, the perfume, and which I'm smelling, and it's very good, and the shampoo and conditioner. So another fun, good box from Allure. So I can't complain about that. Now I'm going to go through real quick and show you. I don't have anything saying, I don't have any information about the items themselves, so I'm just going to go through real quick and share with you what I got in the box. So this is the gift box that they sent me full of stuff. So let's see here. I got from Caudalie, which is one of my favorite bougie skincare brands. This is their eye cream. So we have a small thing of the eye cream. This is from, I'm going to just wear my glasses through this because I'm not seeing great right now. This is the Nudies Matte. The color is Picante, and it's just called, it's the Nude Stick. This is a blush, not my color at all. So I don't think I'll be wearing that. If anyone, I don't know if any of you like that color, but anyway, that's going to be going away. And the next thing I have here is the Red Flower Cleansing Hair Wash right here. It smells really good. So just a nice cleansing hair wash. And the next thing we have, and this is worth more than the box right here, but this is the YSL, the Light Balm, the oil. It's a shine oil in stick. We got this in one of our boxes, and I love it. I didn't get this color, but actually really like that color. So that color's a good one for me. So anyway, I'm excited about that. And the next thing we have in here is a sample from YSL. It's their Libre perfume. I haven't smelled it yet, so I'll take a whiff of that, see if I like it. The next thing is another perfume by Rosie Jane. This is the, is it called Missy? It's called Missy, M-I-S-S-Y. Haven't smelled this one yet, so I don't know. her perfumes are just kind of okay to me. But we'll see what this one... I don't know if I could smell it good with the other. Okay, it smells kind of like coconutty to me. It doesn't say what the notes are on here. But anyway, so another perfume. That may end up in a giveaway too. I don't know if I have so many perfumes, but it's a good size. So there's that. I got in here. This is the Tri-Balm 3-in-1. It says cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize skin. Okay, this is the Tri-Balm 3-in-1. This is from, it just says natural multitasking skincare. You just take the balm. You can either put it on your fingers or just directly go on your skin. And it says dry, clean, dry skin or dry skin, whatever. Use it to cleanse. It also is going to moisturize and kind of exfoliate. So anyway, there's that. I might try it. I'm kind of curious. I don't think I've ever used a product quite like that. So anyway, there's that. And then I still have some more. I have like 4 more things in here. Okay, so they also gave me a Pommy. This is the, right here. I believe this is the, which one is this? This is All-in-One Cuticle Nail Cream. So they have that. And I already own that, I think. But anyway, there's that. And I think that might have come in one of our boxes recently. We've got this small thing of La Octane. Is this a serum? I think it is. It says cream, youth cream. So there's that. And then we got this Zero. This is a makeup removing balm. So we got that. And the last thing in here is a Billy razor, the Cool Blue Billy razor. Now, I'm going to tell you, honestly, I've used a Billy razor. I'm not a huge fan of it. I don't know, but it kind of got gross. The head, I don't know, it was real sticky or something. And I didn't love it, but that's okay. I mean, I've got two blades in here. I'll use it. But it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite razor. So anyway, there's a big box of goodies there. Some fun, some not so much. I think sometimes in these boxes they tend to get rid of extra things they have that are harder to sell. But anyway, it was still a fun thing to get a bonus with my Allure box. So let me know what you think in the comments. Are you up for getting an annual subscription? If not, that's fine too. I was paying for I think a 3-month. So I was doing quarterly before, but I just figured I could save so much money by going annual. So saving, well, that's $8 a box you'll save just by going annual. And this might have just been a special they had running during the holidays. But anyway, that's it for the Allure Beauty Box. Hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. So I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.